think she's asleep at the wheel. Hey guys, today is day 37. So let's pull a prompt. Let's see what we get. Whoop, a bunch is coming out. Well, let's grab what's this. Use mark making tools. Okay, hang on a second. Let me get my stuff together. All right, let me show you what I've got. I've got this piece of paper. It's from the Canson Mixed Media book, and it is the 98-pound paper, and I've showed you that before in previous videos. I didn't keep the book over here. It's bulky, so I put it away. This is for color. I have my Marabou sprays out in front of me here in containers, and I've got my mark making tools pulled out. And what I have, there's quite a few. There's a box here with just all kinds of stuff in here. Just everything and anything that I can throw in there that I think of, I just put it in there. Okay, so I'm going to go through there and pull out some things. I've also got this box here, which has a few mark making tools. This I use a lot, so I keep it with my little stencils. And I have a flower here. I might bring that in. And what else? I've got this. And these here are stencils. They can be considered mark making tools, but I think we've got a prompt for stencils, so we're not going to mess with it. I might use this. I'll pull that out. And then in this container here, there are a few mark making tools. Mainly my sponges are in here, which I won't be using today, but I have a couple of mark making tools in there that I use off and on. So things like that. So I'll pull those as I see fit if I need them and want to play with them. And then I have this in there too. It's just a paste applicator, but you can spread paint with it. So let me gather the first supplies I want to start with, and we're just going to start with the sprays and the mark making tools and the paper, and then see what happens from there. I pulled out a bunch of stuff, and this is very much inspired by Tracy Batista. If you've ever watched her, you will know that she takes a lot of mark making tools and starts a lot of her pages that way. I saw her do this years ago and adopted it into my little toolbox of things that I enjoy doing. I don't even know what this is. We're going to throw it down, and then I've got this little, the end of a ribbon spool. We're going to throw down. This is the end of a tape roll. We'll throw that down. And I've got a toothpick. We'll put that down. I've got a flower. It's an actual flower from, like you buy in the scrapbook section. And I'll put that down somewhere. This is a flower that went awry, so it got thrown in the toolbox. And I'll put that over there. I've got this little piece, no idea what it is. This little piece is like the cap of something that you unscrew and it pops off. I've got some rubber bands here. Put those down. I've got some chopsticks. Throw those down here. And I have a paper clip somewhere I would like to use. I have to find it. So I gotta dig through that box. I threw down 3 paper clips. So my page is ready to be sprayed, and it's gonna go everywhere because I've got things at the edge of my paper, so I'm gonna do it in sections and probably protect this stuff up here just by putting up a piece of paper or something. Okay, let's pick a color. I chose a yellow and a blue. And I better get an apron. I don't have on paint clothes today. Hold on. Got my apron on. I have an apron reminder, but I think she's asleep at the wheel, so we'll forgive her and just keep moving on. Okay. Move that over there. Bump the light. It's caused all kinds of havoc. All right, let's do some yellow first. I'm shaking these up a little bit, and I'm going to pull this back just a shade and do this little area here first. Or not. Oh, of course it's gonna be one that sticks. All right, let me fix it. Okay, I can't get it to go, and I'm not gonna take time to clean it and everything because I don't have the time. So it did come out a little bit, but it sprayed that way, so it's a good thing I have my apron on. Let's just go to the blue, see if we can get that to work. I'll fix that other one later. Okay, got that corner done. Now I'll pick another color and we'll do another area. Okay, we're gonna do this area down here. I'm moving things around, so let's hope this one works. Oh, that looks pretty. I think it's going to be really pretty. I'm going to kind of go in the middle there, blend them a little bit. My toothpick moved. Oh well, we'll leave it there. Okay, let me pick one more color. Okay, I picked this purple, and we're going to do this area and this area if the thing will spray. Oh, good. And a little bit there, and a little bit there. Let's see what we get. Okay, I'm going to dry this, and then we will pull all of our mark making things off. Actually, I'm going to pull them off before I dry, because if I go drying, they're going to go flying everywhere. Okay, let's pull everything up off of here. And this is sprayed on the other side. I'm going to put it right here and dab it down and see what we get. Oh, that's cool. Can you see that? I hope, yeah, you can. We'll do the same with this one. Maybe right in the middle of that one. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, and we got this to pull up. And this is a time when I could take another sheet of paper and put all the areas that were sprayed and flop them over and make marks on that too. And I'm just not going to take time for that right now. But I'd like to. In fact, after I dry this, I might try it, but I got to dry this first. So I'm going to do that and I'll be right back. Okay, I dried it a little bit. I picked up some of the excess with a tag. And I'm going to take my deli paper that I've got here, and I'm going to lay it down on top and see if any more excess wants to come off. It probably will because it's not dried completely. Just a little bit, not much. Okay, and I'm going to lay that there for just a second and see if we can get any marks off of this stuff here. Ooh, yeah, we got an H. Slide it. What do we get? Yeah, we got more. Okay, well, we got quite a bit there. And this one I think is about dry, but we'll try it. Just a little bit. And this one here. I think the rest of it is just going to have to, yeah, we can't get any more. Maybe this flower, we'll try that one more time. Not much, not much. All right, I'm gonna dry my main sheet here again one more time and get it nice and dry. And I'm gonna clean up my little spills over here, my oversprays. Okay, I gotta be honest with you guys. I was gonna go further with this because you can add crayon markings, watercolors, watercolor pencils, paint markers, and I was going to do all of that, but I really love this just the way it is. The only thing I want to do is add a little black, and I think I'll just do a little splatter like I do sometimes, and we're going to leave this as is because I can come back later and alter this if I want to, if the project requires it, or at the end if I want to make something out of it. But I just have this visual image of this being, I don't know, used in a journal or cut into little sections, or I don't know. I really like this just the way it is. So I don't want to do anything else. I really was going to, but I don't want to. Just don't want to. So let me get a little paint on my brush here, and let's do just a little bit of splattering. I think that'll really make everything kind of pop. Not that it needs much more popping. It's popping a lot. It's just the wrong brush for this. Changing brushes. Okay, I'm going to use this fan brush. There we go. All over me, all over the table. Perfect, just the way I like it. Okay, I'm going to call this quits. I'm going to let it dry the rest of the way on its own. Let me give you, a little bit of a close-up. This area is kind of plain, but we'll do something with it later. I love this area. And I love this area. And love that area. I love the whole thing, honestly, I do. I love it just like this with all the shapes showing. Normally, I would come in and do something with it so you can even tell what the shapes were. I mean, maybe color in the flowers and just add some more, but I just really love this. So, you know, could have written some stuff in here, but I'm going to leave it. We're going to stop. Okay? So, get your mark making tools. Get your, whatever, you know, it's just stuff you normally throw away. I just start saving it. I've got a whole box there. And, you don't have to have sprays. You can take regular paint. If you have a spray bottle, put some regular paint in the spray bottle with some water. Don't dilute it down too much, but you can spray that. You know, just clean your nozzle out real good after you're done. Or you can paint down and take your mark making tools and put it, you know, in the paint and make your marks. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 38. Bye-bye.